The East Timorese government has been in Darwin this week to encourage Australian businesses to invest in the country. The government there has acknowledged it's too reliant on oil and gas revenue, and it's looking for billions of dollars to grow other industries.
A stable country ready for investors. This was the message from Timor-Leste's investment and export agency at a forum in Darwin.
We would like to have more investors come to Timor-Leste to invest and then eventually diversify our economy, create jobs for our young people.
The country's depleting oil and gas revenues and a parliamentary election next month are fueling the development push.
I would say our budget, our national budget, depend almost, I would say 90% or so on oil and gas revenue.
Timor-Leste has been spending hundreds of millions of dollars on large-scale infrastructure projects, hoping this will attract investors in oil and gas, but also agriculture, fisheries, tourism and manufacturing. Over the past 3 years, about $500 million has been spent on a pilot economic zone in the region of Akusi.
Currently, there's no major industry in the area, and the population survive on fishing, small-scale agriculture and sales of handicraft.
There are certainly critics in East Timor itself arguing that money could be better spent on basic development indicators around education, health and reforming agriculture.
The government acknowledges more spending's needed on education in particular, but says it's determined to stick to its development agenda.
Physical infrastructure is very important. People cannot come and invest in your country in terms of transport if the roads are not good.
The Darwin Forum also focused on promoting the country's exports, finding partners for emerging Timorese business owners and improving opportunities for women.
It is a big challenge for women to survive in the business in the country. It's because of we coming from a culture that patriarchal systems always put women in the second positions compared with the men.
Timor-Leste says it's hoping for $15 to $20 billion worth of investment over the next 5 years, a likely subject of more debate as the country heads to the polls. Felicity James, ABC News.